Ngiphethe ezinye namanje sesekhona on YouTube, on TikTok, the Amazing Voices. Yizo vele izinto like exposure to ebantwini ukuthi acha netalente but ibonisa abantu. Thina sesikuzwile njengamathwakhe esiphila na everyday but asithathe sifake ku social media sibonisisa. Then that's why ngaba expose ebantwini from a cappella to Igwije because labo pesa ku Amazing Voices studio a cappella. Like to be honest akuthi uqala ngihlala nomuntu ofana noKhokhomelo ne so wathi wahlala nomntana eShoprite akhala like inyembizwa akhala azibamtetile akhala bathi ukhala nahlika agijimaza ngingamguga was like ikalelana athi finally ngibonile finally phela like abantu ababhale bangibona so believe ukuthi like him general uwe like ngiyabatshela yini bafethu
this normal
So how was the experience like really on DSTV being there?
Ngike bazangiphafa la basathi ngithi
bagenzani
phafa bathi I general G ngithi yes I am but come this side oh no that side but ngithi ungenzana athi don't worry uzoba umuntu ngithi hey bayangibophola vele mangena ngala uthuphethe du ngena uhlangana nama camera ayadlula hlala phansi hlala ucabanga ukuthi bazokubuzani uzothini kanjani.
I feel like every household bro you need a grandmother there because like bayazazi
into engihlezi ngitshela ngithi
bayazigena
abona bahlala nogogo nenhlanhla utshela ugogo uzokwazi ukutshela noma uJohn usokwazi ukubona
ukuthi nomuntu ukutshela wakho umletha uyakwazi ukutshela ukuthi I know why
mangikhula mfethu bengasala like bengizwa bathi besingathi lahlikela ingqondo bona like mangikhula ngezinto ezingekho normal mfethu ngingena emabhatleni ngenhloko style khanda so bathi ngabona ukuthi like isithunzi like isithunzi yabo ngabona ukuthi ngabathi isithunzi then kokwami azange ngitshela in details ukuthi isithunzi senzani mathi baqala ngifaka ama-beats kula khona sengicala ngiyahlangana bese ngiyakwazi ukukhuluma nabantu grand because mina ngabe ngithulana nje mina ngisamsendwa ade ngishenhlamba.
I don't know where he is now but like ukhona uGumede
usibusiso yeah no le actually I blind. Yeah, to be honest.
Because now honestly online, the first Guicho guy I had
the first
was Gumede.
In them cases in Chalaband, like they can say general cheese better than who and who are, but they actually are for me now. You ends the Guicho have a popular to Siga Alex, wouldn't get so much. And then by the time chill, but I do have a soccer play, but no, but like Umutu, like Sharon gets by like Fungu Similans, like Fungu Philippine, but do about which has it, Chili is on the Zola.
What's good, YouTube? We are back again with another episode of Infinity Talks. I'm out here with your favorite co-host, Derek 13 Anna. Yes sir. And today we have a special guest, guys. As you guys can already see from the title. Obviously, he's introduced
except for Titi of General G all day, every day with it. We have one of the which is
yeah. No, we are within, guys. We have your favorite Guicho artist, ne? Yeah. Are you verified, though?
I'm not verified out here.
Spotify.
You're everywhere out here, yeah, better,
yeah,
everywhere.
Yeah, so you're popularly known for singing you. Somebody's coming there, mama. Maybe Masiva uzosifala ngayo yabo.
No, I don't flow but here,
Manje masikale tanga from scratch obviously. Ushaye intro, utshela abantu ngawe yabo. Ubani, ubuyaphi, nobani, uhlala kanjani yabo.
Bafethu ngegama usikhumbuzo elinye indlandla bafethu. Abababa ngazi General G. Ngihlala eThembisa endulwini. Ngihlala noMawuleli, ngihlala noMagogo. Hotman, yeah. So nje Bitala le bebintwana nje bethale disk before izozala lento bathi Guicho nje. Njengoba sizo ba popular kanje. kula khona ngicale khona from ediskini ngizwa ebantwini bayicula but I didn't take it serious lapho because bebasathi ingoma zasejele wasangijele endlini obvious ayikho ezothini bathi baqala bathi ucula ingoma zamabhandidi yabona ya tefidzi mara isikhathi masiya nabagcina babona ukuthi hayi lo muntu losela committed kulento le ngoba every day ebazi mangibuye esigela bazoza from egate bayazi ukuthi hayi buyile
so bongena vele endlini ngokumemela
hayi mfethu ngithi naseklasini sanokuthi mahleli free period kanje azuzi class la cula sengiyathula corruption phela yeah uhlale wazi bayabhala nemina ngibhali ngibhorekile ngifuna ukubhala ngiyaba corrupt tshela student guys ayikhathele kunini isibhala that's where ngaqala khona ukuthi yazi lento le serious ngathatha serious from after covid because esikela ngisho buya day 1 day kanjalo manje esikela busy balo bangona mangine ngiyazi ukuthi bangabe this week bengene Tuesday na Thursday next week ngiyazi ukuthi Friday ngeskoleni Friday ngenza school out esikela ngicule ama steps school out
usivali one man lapha esikoleni
ngithi into abangiyenza ngicabanga ngiyayenza ngizebona after bathini ungimamela uzongimamela ongangimamela akangimamela
nayibo uphethe bani lapha esikila ukuze ukuthi bathi hayi ya cooking
no ngiphethe ezinye namanje sesekhona on YouTube on TikTok the amazing voices yizo vele izinto like exposure to ebantwini ukuthi acha ne talent but ibonisa abantu thina sesikuzwile njengamathi wakhe siphila na everyday but asithathe sifake ku social media sibonisisa then that's why ngaba expose ebantwini from a cappella to igwije because labo besa ku amazing voices besicula cappella mama sicula cappella kanjalo then why vele ba adapt igwije then that's where sa adapt igwije then la phambili
so basically you are seeing artist nase studio you get in you cook
sure
straight
nama
lyrics uyabhala
hayi ngibhale mara into engidlulayo into engiyazitshela angazi nje ngihlale phansi ngithi
but then the Kwicho songs that you sing most of them you compose your own lyrics like from scratch
from scratch
it's not something ukuthi it's usual vele inje sure it's something like it's your own way. It's like how do you come up with those things? Like people wonder with general is we are pleasing those kuluma.
No, like angisho kuya ngokuthi lengoma injani. Obvious. Maybe obvious I wanna like somebody's coming. Ingoma like yothando ngoma le. Bangamamela kahle from the start original song yakho. Khuluma ngothando. But nje mangihlala phansi ngabona uthando. There's somebody's coming. We don't know who. But there umuntu yes. So ngabe ngathi athi ngifaka lento le because bengithi ecaleni mama are ngathi manje kazubanilo athi yena uzongilahla that's where I'm going to feel which means lento le iyahlangana lento
let's be cocky for a minute. Let's be cocky. It's even overconfident. English mean I like to say good there's a hip hop industry. So let's consider it you're in the Kwicho industry. So you consider yourself top 5?
SA. Africa. Let's say SA is the best Kwicho people in Africa, right? So let's say in Africa, do you consider yourself top 3 of the Kwicho singers?
Top 3.
Top 3?
I top 3.
Alongside who?
Timbo. Belezo bisala.
I see you.
Okay. My daughter.
That's what I'm saying. I see my cocky, self-confident.
No, okay, I don't flop. But I will go no Msaro.
Sure. No bad food.
Obviously. Give me the narrative. Of course.
So when I would see kahle Kwicho Avenue.
No, there's that. What is that? Tell me, Kelly Varney. There's a Tirindu. There's a Tirindu. Yaqala ukubona igroup discipline like njengalizia like nami ngifunde from Google. I can't say afere bangithole sengithena ne party into ezibhaya tulizia yabona home sweet home
consistent
leza like zipline into ezingichaza ezingispara ngane like to compose zipline ayikho group like worldwide
pioneers
worldwide
they are making things like but they're paving the way for them.
So how is it like when you are there now, when you're part of Ikuicho Avenue as a guest or
that time like you feel at home, like you feel like sharp because now actually good achieve okay we Ikuicho Avenue but iba uwe man I mean I'm going to be serious we iba uwe like like utula so ungachange like indlela utula ngayo because so ku avenue or so kuwa nabo chomo utula iba uwe like okay sharp utula so bele baka understand music mawutula so thina si pick up so then we move on push content phela into echaza kana phaya ukuthi we just feel like uba uwe but the way ungakhona thina kachiwe ya uba uwe plus futhi ngala bagayini exposure phaya because bagaya ini bathini hayi sisigale ntwana lezi kuzibe exposed but in our account that's why bathina abafethu zokalani sizoshine i-shooting obviously i-shooting license in exposure obviously kana abanye kana ba recognize ukuthi General G Ikuicho Avenue
but I feel like you're well known, bruh. Like this guy is probably most good TikTok. He's followed more than Abolimeke, Aboscott. Do you realize that? Like you have followed more than Scott, more than Ulimeke, bro. Like Kilimeke. And you haven't noticed that?
You know, Takaba. Interaction chini. Angin nage inamba followers ne party so big like content. G. Penatala was masotala wayenza so into. People are expecting more. As much as namanje bathi IGI is expected. Yabona bathi ngifuna ingoma kaCwecwe ngithi hey ingoma kaCwecwe okay sharp I'm still cooking. I'm still cooking. Indaba kaCwecwe ngithi no think cook something but by next week yeah upload indaba kaCwecwe la bafiki.
So you cooking very
I'm cooking something.
We are kaCwecwe. Yeah. Well, manje, let's talk, bro. There was a general before you. I don't know where he is now, but like we khona uGumede.
Usibusiso. Yeah. No, they actually blind. Yeah, to be honest.
Because now, honestly, I won't lie. The first Ikuicho guy I had
the first
was Gumede. No lies.
Yeah, in the case in each other, like they can say General G is better than who and but they actually are for me now. You in the Ikuicho laba popular to Gucci, Siba Alex na Gucci. Kunente so madota. And then tole bayicala kuthini bathi ayicula ama-soccer player ingoma zama-soccer player but nobona kwami like umuntu like ohlangana into ezibhayi empilweni like ufuna ukudlulisa umlayezo like ufuna ukudlulisa le pain but through abantu uthi azini singidlulise ngomculo nto ngizoba grand. That's why ngisho manje ukuthi like Ikuicho man akusukuthi umculo nje just but umculo maybe udlulisa imessage emntwini towards maybe ashimfetha ngina olady like so losing hope ukuthi okay ngizoyenzani but mawuzohlala ucabanga ubone ukuthi okay mangizothi na ingoma ethi amalanga wafani mara vela amalanga wafani okay uyabona namhlanje it is the sasi Friday okay uyabona la izolo fana nafana which means today ngingaphanda something so into ekheza ukumotivate ukuthi everything ukuthi amalanga angeke ahleza afana cha noma azofana but angeke lifanele ukuthi very Tuesday namhlanje we Thursday never. That's why like ngezi ngitshela ukuthi awuthiyami yabona amawlala tshela uNkulunkulu ukuthi ngiyabonga ukuthi ngiyalana phela ungamtshela into ezibhayo uNkulunkulu sekayazazi bafethu ukuthi siyabalisa sifuna imali sifuna but into eyi-1 phela ngiyabonga ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngiyalala ngizobona usuku lakusasa chayi phela so la actually yakumeda actually iyo like esenza ukuthi sibe exposed kanje mina to be honest namanje nayasho ithambi ethi pushana na ngiyatshela ukuthi apusha uthiyami push as much as push
but I haven't seen him in a while
ekhona yazi akhona ukuthi nje yashiyaza ngisho lamakiki swathola wafana yabo sakona ukumthola eMpumalanga yena nini bambize futhi ku Avenue nini yabo sika relaxile into enjalo
passionate ngalayithi ne so like seeing how passionate you are about this, so do you think there's something else you could be doing? If it wasn't Ikuicho, then what would you be doing? How is that working out?
No, I feel like I wanna Ikuicho ne diski like into one because ziyabalance lezinto lezi. As much as sonke sithi kawufela mureno rethusi siyodlala. Angisho size uNkulunkulu siyaphuma changing room siye ground. Size swini game sibuye.
Yeah.
So namba ngihleli kumahleli namagents isitula siyacabanga ukuthi yo mara in the next 2 years masingabona igwiji se-TV sizibukela sihlele TV nje is something sekuyi-achievement
Yeah.
into ake ngikutshela manga thina abantu esifuna igwiji sifuna ukubona igwiji so basilinde channel sithi ngeke ngizipress ngithi awu namhlanje bathi dlala mina ngizibukela into mina that's my mission cham into ngithanda is everything ngithi bragod ngiyacela lapha ku DStv abanginike ispace bathi ufuna ngithi ngicela i-channel kuphela
ufuna i-channel
do the whole day
channel that ngimamela noma ngacula ngamnene but don't kuyigwiji ebhalile gwiji hayi ngihappy sengishap ngiyazi ukuthi sengivule abanye abantwana iminyaka ukuthi afile nami ngizofuna ukuphusha ngifuna ukufika lapha kula channel eGwiji TV that's why bazokhona ukurecognize because into engizosuhlungile into le emoja love leya yabona manje ngisakhala sa register ama hope ukuthi at least okay emoja love yes assist but yachudeka phela emoyeni I was like
it was coming
kunini but still coming since last year
and the podcasts have a channel now
of Moja Love.
Podcasts have a channel on DStv.
Really?
Yeah.
That's great. McG. Wow. Am I living under a rock?
Some connection. Which of people don't have the same connection that McG has?
Yes, because we have no scheme GP.
Scheme.
Connection.
Yeah, scheme.
That's why like it's not the which by spicy because as not the connection there which is ngenza kanjani. Into engisatshana lezi kutsha vele ithama khotman yabona nemani ngayenza lento leyenzeka South Africa nizwe like izoba esandleni ngomculo madoda because mangathi uhamba manje kusino wonke umuntu uzokutshela ukuthi yabona makuyigwijo uyaphila uyaphila
because now there's a channel for everything these days. I feel like also if I need this we should see as we promote the young players. It's the same thing. We must promote
the same thing. Into ngisho ukuthi like izoba i-generation. Angisho manje zithini kutsha avini kumede general jikemele narets bazozabanye obvious as much as school nabayeza nabayibona so mizoba ngcono ukuthi at least bathi hayi le generation le ishi channel sakuthi leza yilo luthina hayi manje sisifuna i-platform yabona nini sebathi hayi kune-Gwiji station lapha ku radio station ngiya present yabuza imibuzo as much as like njengama podcast
but the money part of it guys like kunemali kuGwiji. Do you like get gigs where you get paid for like just like uScott magathi maybe per night uhola abo ma 50k or something
give us a gig ya 10,000
I want a gig for 50k
no depend but I don't think ukuthi for me individually I can't say ngifuna 50,000 I can't but iGwiji avele because registered and nama trade union iyakwazi ukusho kanje because i-group ese-registered
company
so mangizothi mina ngiyi-one individual ngifuna 50,000 ngi-50,000 ngiregister kuphi like okay sharp I'm well known but angikho ku-trade union like angiregistanga that's why like wonke umuntu ezokwazi ukuthi acule izampapa ngendlela yakhe nalo acule ngenye indlela because angiregistanga but iGwiji avenue ngingakwazi ukuthi angifethu sigayeni noma 70 so mina ngivele ngithi hayi maximum yami vele angayeni 8 or 9
so you're saying you can own a Gwiji song and patent it so that no one else can sing it the way you sing it it'll be your own
accurate like
then if someone uses it you can say or you can sue them
or noma ngathi uyayisebenzisa but kunemali uzoyithola
basically like
industry ize ngawe ngisho as much as kwazi ukuza ngengoma obvious bayabona ukuthi okay sharp uze nayo and like iblowile so uzohlula yini uye studio ifaka lento le ifaka Spotify uyathula uvala umlomo faka ku YouTube everyone streamayo everyone wenzayo yangena ku
kunamali but there's a lot of ways to make money
that's why
ngilesivulika code label yamaGwiji yabo Nah, think about it. We open a record label, we sign a soul Gwiji artist. We put them all under the label, we send them out.
But you know what they did? You know what I'm thinking?
That's what
I'm thinking of One Direction because there was a thing like that. There was a competition I don't remember what competition was. But then single artists that were singing there, And then some of them lost the competition, but they were like, these ones are good. And then they put them together in one place and they formed one group. And One Direction was one of the best groups ever known to sing. So it could be like the same type of vibe where like single artists of Guicho, we just put them
when I get Guicho, I didn't think it was fun.
It doesn't feel like why?
I want to come at this number.
Yeah.
Uzothola ngithi angeke. Yabo, so inkinga ile ukuthi yabona emajideni but masingathola umuntu like ozohlala phansi atshela ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthi lifa ufunani, uthi ufunani. Lapho uzozwazi. Asihlanganise ne-blind ones, sibe ne-solution e-one ukuthi okay, masisuka la manje sithi sakuma idols madoda siyangena. Akunakuthi isazokuthi round kube labo middleman amaningi umuntu uzothi sisuka la sakuma idols. Sure.
But that's what I'm saying. Mina mvuli company. Anisho. Yeah, register. Trademark everything, patent, Spotify, ngiyenza satisfied.
Yeah.
I contact to General G, contact to Keme, Umsaro, contact Amazing Voices, like most vocalists, you know. Then probably get backup singers also. As part of the job sometime, you know. Then like who cares, but uskoti, okay, Messi to youngstana, but under upo ribonke, that's what we do. Same thing with Guicho.
And then you
record label, Guicho.
Okay, sharp. Yeah, what I take an idea. I don't idea, but uhlale wazi ukuthi wena uzohuba ukudlula thina. Phela uhlale wazi. Phela wahlale wazi mabambe mina lokeme nomswaro so ibambile TikTok yonke. So qedile. Of course, if you know like wonke umuntu like unama supporter ukuthi okay, ukeme senthandele, uGeneral senthandele. Umswaro maso sibambe sonke phela fanele ukuthi wena sophethe boma 3 million followers uyi1. Ucabange into ozoyi-uploada ke masisicula C3. Una uyabona mohleli ukuthi hayi lalela la ngiyothenga manje abona abangiyothenga M4
from one video.
But they must get paid also.
Obvious. Even though now phela ngeke uhlezi utshela ukuthi uthola malini. Now uzofuna uhola.
That's the problem with managers. Managers don't ever
utshela. Yabo inkinga izosuka la. And that is about ukuthi hayi from nini wena uchicha impahla.
Okay, so whenever like you do a collab, let's say with Guicho Avenue, because when you are a sole artist, you're not part of the co. You're not part of our show more the others, right? So when you do that, do you get called and be like, hey, General Ndwana, here's a certain amount of money. Come, sizo shy collab, or it's just a come now those advertiser, who's guide platform?
No, angeke ngikhuluma manga ne because bathe my text i-manager le-Avenue ngamgama nama manager yami. Then they were like, ngizokhuluma ne-manager into ezibhale now that guy feed. But to be honest, bekuyikhole bekuthini hayi after that ayikuthi sithi siyakuthenga but siyabonga ukuza bekulento ukuthi asiyabonga ntana.
Thank you.
Siyabonga ke appearance appearance to show that okay siyabonga
and you show up
ushow up into abayisho abathi ukuthi hayi mfana siyabhadala
it's a payment contract
hayi bathi hayi mfethu siyabonga
oh that's the spirituality
that,
the brotherhood the love
which like asikuthi siyathenga yabo but sibona ukuthi thina sancane like siyafrustrate ufuna nawe nakusasa mawuqala uthi afethu ninkinga ngifuna ukuthi nize singakhona singakulisi vele sithi hayi masikhona siyakhona ukuvela bazokusupport as much as that sikhona ubasupport iGuicho ile nto lefuna esithatha
Guicho it's all about building bonds brotherhood love
ngazi ukuthi okay ulifa kayithandi le nto leyo so okay which manje ulifa mina ngiyenze yabo sharp untanga kayithandi into so manje untanga should kumele ngenzini angazi ukuthi okay yazini ma boundaries wami ukuthi okay untanga so sharp siyakumara mase sonke sithatha ngathanda lo kuthini bafethu bekani sihleli kamnandi siyakwazi nokuhleka ngale nto leyo umculo ngaba kusiyo into ngaba sazani into engihlezi ngitshela ukuthi ngabe kusi iTikTok beke ngikwazi hayi na beke ngikwazi yabo but because iTikTok ikwazi ukuthi mayihlanganisa sayihlanganise kabantu ihlanganise kahle uthini athi ngishaye collab nawe uzokala eKatle Home hayi mfana ngifuna ubone ithembisa hayi uzokala ethembisa uzobona ithembisa ubona amafeni wakho asethembisa into esiyenza ukuthi ungathi unamafeni but awazi ukuthi ahlala laphi kanjani into esiyenza
ubona uthando
utholayo from different places
Nah, that's a good movement actually. It feels like it could do like a whole lot of difference, you know. Just like if another reading, like Uber drivers have this certain code. You would see like, hey, we are all Uber drivers, Bolt drivers, InDrive drivers. We have a certain group shares. If Omunge gets robbed or whatever, they protect each other, you know. Safety isn't doesn't arrange. So Kwicho is like that.
Yeah, injalo like sifuna like kube ne structure. Yabo ukuthi like okay, nasi structure. Kuthi emaqala kufika bogame nabo msana nabo general.
Yeah.
Makusuka bo general nawana kuzozaba ubani. As much as abona manje ama twins ulunga lungene. Siba obvious kwakudala bakhona but obvious. Base kuyisikhathi sakho. I can't say ukuthi khane baphe but sekuyikhathi sakho manje ukuthi okay bafethu. Yeah, nasi isikhathini
bayashayina
bayenza into yabo because now bayenza into yabo vele
khona le ntwana encane le
Cocomelon
wenzani uCocomelon
yeah Cocomelon usithandela iGucci Cocomelon
uthanda wena mama
yeah nyaka like to be honest ne akusuka uqala ngihlala nomuntu ofana noCocomelon ne so wathi wahlala nomntana eShoprite akhala like inyembizwa akhala athi bamtetile akhala bathi ukhala nahlika agijimaza kimi ngamguga was like ikalelana athi finally ngibonile finally phela like abantu ababhane bangibona so believe ukuthi like him general uwe like ngiyabatshela yini bafethu
bese normal
like base majabo mayinte ngihlezi ngibatshela ukuthi bafethu yini kini bafethu like kini ngiyenzeni ngibona ukuthi bathi ngicule babone ukuthi because ababelieve noma ngathi bazothi akusu like ufana naye then I was like angisaphiki izivele ngithi
hayi ufana nawe
yeah
my with that type of thing going on like abantu khulu nabo like are they still with you or
yeah yazi manje bathi imvalent yakuhlanyisa ne noma sowabika like into njalo like bangisupport even though like bathi biba amanye ama comment abhedwa bavele bathi G ungayithathi nyenye ethathe njengokuthi uyakhula manje khona abantu abazokhuluma bad even
so what you saying you still have the same type of friends you had before you grew up and
namanje
same people
like no like amazing voices singawazi manje mangibafuna ngisebenza
so kahle friends we actually nabo Kwicho si
like nabo like abantu engisarane nabo abantu abaculayo and abantu abachechayo
but then have you ever been betrayed like
chami ungile ka betray no
bawira
epetho relonsa kibanyana wabona banyana
Soko getting in the way of something good once again
downfall of man bro
and ecabanga phela sibisa ukuthini labantwana samba nawo ne sojiva ne ngitshela about ami nabafethu labantwana ngibafila siyamna labantwana hayi bamood like impethu siyazazi ukakomonisa ne but bamood like ngathi sababora
you know those
amajita yangibetray yangikwatela afile siyavasa even din show kuba grand yadlula event following week amajita wasangikhulumisa wonke manje ke mina ngiyasilanye lazi ngivele ngishini ngithi konke abasangikhulumisa ne ongifuna umtshela ukuthi angikho
ukwatini
angisangena my fuck ayisuka
manje bakuphi no
manje fele njengoba ngitshela ukuthi sekhaya Hotman nami yilo phela kwazi ukuthi antwana yamaye bona kuso zibuyele ube grand bawuye bahunte grand wena baphilise njengama chance libe grand
because ukhule nabo nabantu
egcineni
kungabi something like utshengise
kafuna nabashilo thambi ethi cheers ngamajita sana ukuthi yabo testa namandla ngathi hayi njalo madoda but hayi nano siyaringa grand hayi sibuyile fela even though like asahlali that much obviously as mase sikhula ngisho umuntu uphuma ngendlela yakhe but hayi bahleli sozo ukuthi ayileza hayi vele yabona vele sikhule sonke because sana ukuhleka vele uyazi ukuthi hayi la chite limele hleke yabo mara ayubithe amfane bakila ngibithe out yami ayubithe ungabelieve ubone kahle ukuthi hayi movie le movie
futhi sikamakedi for nothing
no yazi indaba nami ukuthini out yami like ngizacela ukuthola ifame ne ngabona kahle ukuthi banyana that's it yabo uthanda ukuthi bakubulise vele ubone kahle ukuthi kanti basaze ngibulisa ayisuka ngangena kakhulu emantombazane yakhohla amajita kanti manje uyazi uzoshela ustock kanti istock sakho stock makafika etshele wena mina sengimangela ngitext ukuthi mfethu awusangihloniphi vele awusangihloniphi mawuqala usayini isithombe ngithi
any mistake
choice vele ngiyabona
wenze ngamabo
ngiyabona hayi inkomo
very clean
ngiyabona phela chama mina singimtshela hard chama hard from da ngajala bayazi nji hayi fuck lento le ukuthi umoshela imishado yabantu hayi.
It comes to girls also with the self-respect and stuff like that, because like
you know
you have a guy.
Uyaza izohluli babe I love you.
Manje Jen, what's your type basically in a girl?
Mina ngina type out here.
There's no
your friends are wondering with yo, Uchene, I like him, I like the way he sings, young
No, yazi ukhethi Uchene. Like mina ne Uchene engathi ngiyaprefer. I prefer Uchene like ozonga understand like ukuthi okay, Uchi of course Uchi uyathenda ne. Abantu bazana zomisa noma ngahamba naye. Mina ngiaccept. Now obviously accommodate ukuthi okay. Hayi, mwanyana wena udlala netball, uthanda ama novel. Mina ngiaccommodate ukuthi okay, as much as uthanda ama novel, shithi mina nje ngithinge novel nge-birthday yakho ngithi baby, na novel. As long as you support, I take back mark. He girlfriend ngifuna. As long as you support.
So when you're famous and you want someone who's not famous,
besides the fame, someone that doesn't look the part, bro.
Yeah, but look at the type, people. It can't just be anyone.
Yeah, plus obviously I go to anyone, but obviously nami ngizoshikithi wona la.
That's what we asking. Unjani lo muthi yo la nyajemo.
So you have a hand now. No chill, man. Are you just good at it?
Shayla with the cats.
The comment section.
I don't flop. No, wafethu hayi nginawushilo nayi tingibe serious yazi tingibe serious empilweni
type out. Yeah. You think ngifuna ukuyibuza la?
No,
okay, wait. Since you don't know what's your type, I'm gonna ask who's your hand so you can know who's your type.
Aye, that's it. Aye.
Okay, wait, is she famous? Or
Is
she's
she known?
Aye.
Uponi.
Yeah.
How long have you been dating her?
Yabona.
She knows herself. Yeah, it's allowed for that. She knows herself.
Yeah, if you just say 1 year, 6 months.
Yeah, we're 2 weeks ago.
And obviously, I'm watching about the episode. It's crazy, bro.
Okay, I see again.
Yeah. So yeah, bro. Let's talk about this thing of Kwicho is a spiritual thing, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's passion mostly. Yeah. Like we pull up from the hearts. There's nobody who sings like just the
it won't be authentic.
It won't be authentic, right? So when I see you're a church guy, ne? Every Sunday you attend church.
Yeah. Every Sunday, no. Mara Sunday, church.
Most Sundays,
yeah.
Oh, are you a believer?
Yeah, believer.
Yeah?
Yeah. To be honest, ne?
Yeah.
Mina vele nje impilo yami ne, ngiphilekile emadlozini. Tsebaya. Okay sharp uNkulunkulu samthandazela but amadlozi athama. Hayi into enhlezi ngisho ngithi yabona ezimatches kwazi ukuphupha. Asho ukuthi idlozi like ngisakuthanda. Wangasaphuphi ukuthi abakuvalelisa inyama manje.
So you saying the ancestors are the ones that show you dreams?
Yeah, for me. Like you akwazi ukungibona ukuthi mntwana yami. Maybe angakwazi ukuthi maybe ngithola ukuthi ngiyacula maybe next week Friday.
Yeah.
Maybe on my next week Wednesday, ngiphe nje ngila nomuntu chinchi ngqonda ngisa.
Outside. Yeah, it happens.
It happens.
It happens to me too many times.
Ngivela ngitshela ugogo ngithi phela gogo ngiphupe into so bese gogo ngitshela man. That was yakhona kunento kunomuntu ozokuthikazisa nyama bese ngithi angisayi bese ngiyakhansela.
Yeah.
But sometimes ngithanda ukudoubt. Then mangiyalane ifika la sengi turn off like sengiyakhathala like. Babele ngiyakhathala. Yeah, like ngiba like off like benyapi.
Your energy yakho vele yakhona.
I like awusavumbe nomzimba uthi ajiya wena ndina nje ayikho into soyizela then kuba ngathi snacks but into engiyazi ukuthi like I can perform ne mara ngizoperform ukuthi like ngifuna ukuqeda like kule fast food like yeah ukuthi ngisuke la like gym
ngeke kusabe from passion
yeah from passionate ne sengizocula but ngizocula ngibalisa ukuthi phrase ukuvaya like ukuvaya
inhliziyo yini
ayisekho yeah that's one thing ngisho ukuthi like everywhere umuthi yaspana chama everywhere kula ngibona khona it was first time yami mina ngikahle home Wednesday Thursday Friday ngigrade chama ngikhuluma grade ngicula grade Saturday kuseni ngavuka ivoice ishile khona
ungana voice
next
bongaphuzi bongaphuma
next yeah bekumele ngithi show angikhoni mina ngibambe kanje before ngikhuluma
bekumele uyenzani ekahle home
bimele so perform first gig yami yasekahle ngibizo umsalo first endina bangeni uhlelo wazi maleli unkwatele makrizo uyengringana sharp makrizo nje ukuthi ungayi ngithi gogo sebabhadalile already imali sebayikhipile and hiyo lengisebenzisile endlini ukuthi ngenze 1 2 3 angiyazi mfethu ngiphume endlini mfethu bekunomunye umntana engihlezi ngihlala lapha ekhaya sathi ngimi athi uyafoster boy uyafoster njani yabona izimachezi ngiyafu empethu bengizibona nami ngavaya phuma ngavaya eTexini nodaba amajita akhalisisa mfana ngine stress mina sokuthi la ngiyakhona ngiyenzani stress anginandaba ukuthi stress lapha ya
but what's the cause bro all of a sudden
that's why ngitshela ukuthi kulabona khona ukuthi umuthi uyaspana
like who's hating you just singing bro why would someone hate you for singing
ngathi bazozonela ukuthi uclean mfethu what about the voice umuntu akuzonela ukuthi uyazithanda it obvious akusinoma bona uzojabula ukuthi hayi wawujise kacula wenzani why wena nifa sodlala ibhola why sewenza kunomuntu ongakujabulile lento le
ne
but now mawuzothatha ngane enhlizweni ukuthi nami ngizobazonda that's why vele uzozivalela into zakhe ezibhaya that's why bathi abantu ngenzela yazanga react abantu bathi hayi uNkulunkulu wazi
or retaliate ngawe yamisa
but then how do you protect yourself from such incidences in the future
no like njengoba ngisengishone la kuko kamsana ngitshela ukuthi general imali othelayo vaya uyohlola la yabo ngivayibele ngemntwini umuntu azongitshela ukuthi athi manga sometimes thembele emkhulekweni pray take it bafethu ayenge ngijuthe yabona manje ngitshela ivara umthandazo haya uyaphula yonke into singa ngaye emntwini enzene but kwana bangasithandazisi ayikho into ezolunga but bazothandazisa na ukuthi yabona manje bafethu ngiyasithandazisa ngiyayithandazisa into engayazi engilwa nayo na uzobona ukuthi okay kunento ezoba free ku uzobona but mazoyekelela of course bheka thithi bheka manje uthola maybe a gig ewetha boma 50,000 uhlale wazi anginamntwana anginanex khana umndeni obvious kunento ezo like mina kwenzeke something during that process ukuthi makufika igig isale gig ngizenzela something or during the week leyo mele ngigulo ukwenzakaleni uhlale wazi maybe uthola ukuthi awubelieve wena ku Manchesters thola maybe umuntu udlile khaba zibanibani wathatha umkhokho walapho so uyagula phela uthola nasekini abangeni indaba yakho yomculo sekumele manje mele uchaze and uhlale wazi imali phela bayikhiphile akunakuthi uzotshela abantu ukuthi bathatha imali yabo back bayikhiphile 59 iklikile
nena so ispanisile most of the time
of course after mayingangena obviously nami ngiyabona I feel mabasende maybe deposit 25 maybe ne if bakusendela me bathi kike 50 ku 25 bayisende nje deposit engizothola mo fee obviously ku 25 so yazi mangapha amatenyene chu nganyana so yazi uplan outfitana ukuthi okay mangafika la ni grand then kulento lezo laba process lawo that's like amachita amabhaya ngahlezi ngachitha angisho ukuthi hamba maybe uyothwasa or hamba uyokhendla but at least endlini ke ngihlezi isho endlini kukhona umuntu onomoya endlini nyalo wonke umndeni uyi-one noma ngathi uhlala kayika uyi-one noma ngamfonela umtshela ukuthi mfethu phela ngibona into eziso ngiyenze kanjani uzokutshela ukuthi hayi hlanganisa iy'nani uzoba sharp into ayicabangayo ngisho like into ayifikayo emqondweni so amathita amabhayi kulela nto leyo ukuthi eish ayinanthembele kuManchester uNkulunkulu ngiyamthemba okay sharp wonke umuntu amthemba uNkulunkulu but sometimes I feel like namadlozi mele wabonge nje like both mele wabo even though wena uthi ama-satanism yiwo nawaphilisayo
yiwo lawa vela akubonisa
akwazi ukutshela ukuthi asikhokhiye le nto
ama-satanism
ebese washo kanjalo abanye bathi hayi general ama-satanism into lezi satanism into yana like sharp afit as long ngiphila mina
as long when expand
yangispanela ngisho into engiyispanisayo vele as much as bebacala bathi kulele skip ehlezi ngishaya esaka general G esaka general esi black ebathi ngithwele ngaso lesikhipha
Lesisibhala general.
Lesisibhala Amazing Voices la.
Yeah.
Bathi ngithwele ngaso. Bangicwelisa skipper kuyagcwala eventini. Bathi ngithwele ngithi ha. Wow. Azakusegcokile manje. Ngisibekile ngifuna ukubona bathini.
Bathi uthwele.
Bathi ngithwele. Awazi wena into bengizwisa ubuhlungu le. Ngithwele. Ngithwelelani madoda. Ngathwalelani.
Yeah.
So nje ngivela ngazilemexela ngizayifisa.
But you know what's really stressing me about this is because I wasn't lucky enough to have a grandmother and stuff like that on the other side. But then I feel like every household, bruh, you need a grandmother there because
bayazazi into engihlezi ngitshela ngithi abona mahlala nogogo nenhlanhla uthiyama ugogo uzokwazi ukutshela noma ujolo usokwazi ukubona
ukuthi nomuntu ukutshela wakho umletha uyakwazi ukutshela ukuthi I know why
yeah like that's
same time
like labantu abangazi ukuthi like ikubo or yini but uzokwazi ukutshela ukuthi hayi angeke utshele direct but utshele indirect ukuthi hayi usigade mfethu ungalungu namanje hayi sigade careful
abantu bakudala
into yakubo ikubo
yazi ulethe umngane wakho akubuze ukuthi lo mngane wakho ubuyaphi
cabanga
that's true
bese vela ndawo okay
like who's this all of the other friends you bring them
lo uzoba yi-1 phela zokubuza ukuthi okay lona ubuyaphi ke lo ndla
lento engayizo
like angeke ngitshele straight ukuthi but nebile wemsokhohle wena zithi yakhumula umngane wakho leya hey man angimuzwa kahle angisho ukuthi umtshintshe mara angimuzwa kahle mara la uzobuya nini somtshela ukuthi gogo phela ngilona le
lo muntu lesisihlabene
yena uzojabula uzothi okay uyazi ukuthi vele into bezoyenzeka into bezoyenzeka
so bro tell me about the beat and the isphandla I always see people wearing this stuff but like I wonder because I'm always like
it's an armor.
To me it's like Joe, I pray even if maybe I have to consult with ancestors and anything because me I'm paid I won't say much but the Zulus and the other tribes Swatis and the Ndebelés they have stuff bro like beads isphandla
no le ama beads le to be honest ekhaya ngilaspawn so ngilaspawn and time lami ngilaspawn yabo so nje mangikhula mfethu bengasala like bengizwa bathi bese ngathi ngilahlelela ingqondo yabo like mangikhula ngezinto ezingekho normal mfethu ngingena emabhatleni ngenhloko start ikhanda yabo so bathi ngiyabona ukuthi like isithunzi yabo ngabona ukuthi ngabathi isithunzi then gogo azange ngitshela in details ukuthi isithunzi senzani then bathi baqala ngifaka ama beats kula khona sengicala ngiyahlakanipha sengiyakwazi ukukhuluma nabantu grand because mina ngabe bengithukana nje mina ngisasenhlwa hayi ngisha enhlamba mina hayi ngapha nthiba
but it's always like those abnormal ones who get to make it to
let me tell you what's happening when you are born dog people know that you are destined for something
exactly that's what I'm thinking too
they want to stop it while it's still early tanga khona abantu bashona tanga just when they get fame just after
umuntu ayithole fame athule do
go on
nizobathi ayushonini
you see now ukuthi khona umuntu vele bayangafuni
so let's enjoy
but that's what I'm saying like it's always like those top like this person akekho normal ever seen the most successful people is those like eclassini lo muntu lo njalo bekenza izinto ezingefani
it's fun
uyoba successful compared to lo beka normally like the average everyone looking the same bro.
You see things normally, but they see things in a creative manner with love.
In a
creative manner. So that's what we'd say, like using this, it's for Bowi's tunes from primary.
We protect and it's from primary. Primary, grade 6. That's
when you started feeling like, hey, I'm cooking.
Class in Gilava, one of them, class in the body.
What black.
Is that the most traumatic?
You're like any caution. Primary. So, mnyama.
Amehlo
wavulile amehlo. Ngiyabatshela kumnyama ngiboni. Bafuna mama mnyamtshela mama ukuthi athi wangithi kumnyama.
Kumnyama. Then umakoko akuthatha.
Amakoko avela, amakoko rikalomoleni. Abantu babuya nawo ukuhlala bangifaka vele. Ngiyabona ngayisigela bathi sonjani ngathi manje kusese grade sengiyabona nyana feel yakhuthana thina isikhathi masiya vela ngabona sengiyapick up vela ngabuyela vela but hayi since that ngabona abantu bazokulimaza.
But the battle is like it's fought before you even come into this world.
And the abali now. It feel like abali now.
Like it's past family problem.
Abali now.
When you're an angel coming into this world trying to be successful, like they can see this is the one who's going to change everything in the family. You are going to set a new legacy for this family, and so it's like. But a lot of people wonder, bro, you know, when I think of Guicho singers most of the time, it's people who can't play soccer, bro. I don't know how.
I'm a talent of fan.
I feel like Mokala when you tire too, or something like that. So I wonder, like, obviously everyone starts singing Iguicho at soccer. Most people sing. So with you, bro, like with soccer, how did it come about? Like, Ushilo, now what you started singing a grounding?
But nakhona ediskin bengakabi like accurate very good like achieve mina bebazi ukuthi hayi manje Jimmy ngiyawatshela la coach mina ngishayela center back like even like mina to be honest ngithanda ukumaka ne into engithandayo hangana ukuthi bathu as long mina ngizomaka ngizoba sharp eground ngispanning iselayo Butu wathi ulifya gijima sharp as long ngizomaka nje ukuthi mina ngimaki
win iball
phela. As much as nama ngikwazi ukuthi hayi yabona izinto position enokumaka ngayidlala hayi ukatheka
he strikes me as a middle fielder.
CDM 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 so as much as abona obvious makhulu yabona lemicula hayi sana angisho yonke into inesikhathi sana kuba nefiva lokuthi I think by puts back ngifaka my pot so big player
ngale gwegwenyana
phela yozobathi wathi udlala i-tax angisho GDN saqa under 15 basalanda ngamabhasi ha ufike lapha i-tax kushaye 4 ha Jimmy Tuesday gijima langa lonke lidlala uzutshani yasinda wena utshali klavele
hayi vele like kasi coaches athanda ukugijimisa ama player nje
into abazibuza ukuthi abethu kwasigijimisa ngebhola sibhola 2 hours uzobona ukuthi okhathi
indoda mina ngithi
if you go to Tax academy you get there you find them training indwana angeke bagijime the same way when ugijima ngakhona
ne warm up yakhona
isimple
2 laps slow for ukuthi coach set up ifield ipitch babaqeda bayathandaza training session drill cone pace
ngiyayibona le wona ujika next to wena usazobuya bazofuna abantu ukuthi udlulile lapha
basibitha njengama that's why like seyisikhathala because umzimba wethu awujwayela kuyakha uyazi ukuthi sebenza kanzima manje izinto lezo uyazi masiqeda la ama-drill nanani semshinini relaxisini wena uye emshinini uyabuya kuzala ikasi uhlala la
awustretchanga
yogeza kodwa ugeza uhlala ifoni gqumtshayile
sayodla ngapha diet
ingenda bakutshela bathi ya diet watshela kahle ipapa ngilenzeni ngalile ngihlanyisa
bathi abaphekanga namhlanje diet kodisha
udandikota wena iphila so injalo
njalo
ngifuna ngathi very difference le ukuthi diet yethu nabantu aba professionals sometimes yasikhawa
it's different
that's like yonke indawo fana semculeni angeke ukuthi yabo manje ngicela bese ngidle acha uzobona umhlolo udle acha
yes
Siyakreka baba nyathi. Acha.
Namafutha.
Namafutha khona ngisho. Namafutha khona.
Oye wayishaya before
baba ngile ngashaka. Ngaba expose baba. Ngatheka istone ngafuni. Ngile yabona ngithi ngiyayithubela imali ithi awunamanga uzongithenga. Ubathe bathi ivoice ithi phuma amafutha mina baba. Angabha istone. Angithi mangibha istone yabuya. Mari thatha isikhathi uyayincenga. Kunamanye amanote angeke wacule ngoba uyazi mawuqala wathi uye izoze acha lana yasho ukuthi uye la thuma that's why like yonke into nje like usettle boundaries ngeke bathi uyacula Friday Wednesday maybe sihloniphe umtshela maybe ke nasikwenzakalana ngizobona after gig so sihloniphile kanjani because uzohlangana nabantwana uzohlangana namahotman nabantu abadala so ucabanga hlala nomuntu ubulele intombazana uzocula namhlanje ucula abantwana into enjani ngoba ubulele nomuntu
So listen to the effects in the
like now like when reputation yakho cha manje ukuthi inegigi serious maybe bathi the line up lapha DStv wena so nentombazane efanayo uyazi ukuthi kusasa Saturday thola bebe kusasa Saturday so ukhohliwe unovalele ku kusasa uyageza umntana abantu ageza uyamkhapha wena uyavaya la fika lapha abantu ba fresh bane energy wena obvious bulile lentombi sakhathele ukuthatha amandla lentombazane obvious mawufika lapha perform uzobona ukuthi asha uzosinda abantu hayi wena ukuthi uzosinda wena uzobasinda because uzobona kahle ukuthi hayi
that's key.
So how was the experience like really on DStv being there? Super Sport live bro, national TV, not even national, international.
Ayathusa la ngijike bazangiphafa la basathi ngithi
bagenzani
phafa but I general ngithi yes I am but come this side you are that side but ngithi ungenzana athi don't worry uzoba muhle ngithi hey bayangipopola vele mangena ngala kuthule edu ngena uhlangabezana ama camera ayadlula uhlala phansi uhlala ucabanga ukuthi bazokubuzani uzothini kanjani abathi bangayi mic kuthi ngithi liyochama hayi leza sihleki leza zikhulu nawo mara sihleki akutshela imaso na distance yakho wena manda then lo muntu ozonibuza ungena phakathi athe masenzi some check kula khona ngikhuleka khona ngizithi okay IG ngainto athi angibheki ma camera ngizobheka le mic so ukuze kuphele kanje ngibabibheke kanje mic thima uqeda ukuthi some check ngathi hlala ngale studioini akuthi maqeda uphuma performance oqala ba interview vele bathi after interview mathi masingena ayashika ni awazi ushekiswa yini phela ba so live ekani ngikho live so live phela manje wona batshela bathi bakusalile ecamereni bathi head up
utshela namatita lapha
angisho phela yakubona ukuthi phela umfubheke phansi
bathi head up
wenza kahle
skeni
baba ngihlala wazama camera yakubheki khona ibheke so khona ibheke straight awuna choice kamera maphuma la uba experience ecreate like uyabona
izinto
zicreate izinto nekuthi udinga i-connection thola i-connection then into zakho ziyamove.
So how did you get there with DStv?
Bekuyi-Phillies game angisho-Phillies game angisho and every time makwina mawaqeda obviously bazoya ku-the line up bayokhuluma baselect ama-player ayi-2 from kula ama-finalist lawa adlalile then bazowasha nge-interview ukuthi afila kanjani then thina besi-brand ambassador e-Phillies game like besi-face e-Phillies game should like everywhere la i-Phillies game ikhona sikhona shuthi sihlala nama-support sawaculisa siphusha ipheshile e-Phillies game nanani into ezinjalo then basitshela ukuthi abafethu naye the line up vayanda
iyabhadala ufile
ufile obvious ngisho ufile obvious partnership ne-DStv obvious sazi bakhulume kanjani because lale enye kanje chairman orini bathi uCameroon hlala bese ntshona kayi
so appearing with DStv you get paid
ndaba sitshela next but mina labe ngene e-marketing
ukuzipromote
that's why like beka-expectanga nemali because bengazi ukuthi yabona masengiphume TV achievement because abantwana ngivele siba-expectile because mina iposta ngicabanga abantu batshela ukuthi ebaba uyani ne-DStv angibona ngiposta naye ngibone sendleleni yalaphaya ukuthi hayibo iposta dala iphumile 3 days iphumile like
so i-manager ishaya nge-surprise
i-manager mbengekho lapho manager mbengayingeni bekikhuluma mina mathupha straight ngakhuluma nami straight because like manager mngatshe itsama yabona izama-Phillies game ungazingena izinto ezingathi zingakuphinikisa kusekazi hayi mele angiphinike then after now avula bona ukuthi afile amalispanile kuyophuma i-TV ngathi hayi iqala lapho benga-expectanga ukuthi sibhadane but leya marketing leya nanamhlanje ngisayibona ukuthi at least like bangirecognize.
Well, I've seen you with like Safo Lindo Pep.
Coach Lindo Pep. Leya Khotman la Chibone la Khotman ngilizwe from Go Live. Kula khona ngicala ukufostana la Khotman ngicala ukumotivate ukuthi general there's a stage where uzofika kuso ukuthi uthanda amantombazane sizondlula the stage where khona sizofika ukuthi like usidistance ebantwini nasizodlula but into engikutshela njengoba bese like ama 2000 stay focused like ama chance mabaya chama
so say yena uyan-educate
like uyasimotivate uyasitshela sharp ufeli zizoza ezinye inkulumo like ezisinaks ukuthi okay sithi ujiya trader seka snacks uchangile ujiya uhlule ifika yabo phela wasingabantu asibona ngokufana but into emele uhlezi utshelana ukuthi ni consistency and focus keep it content into engihlezi ngitshela even though bathi sesilwa kanjani but into engitshela ukuthi nji content
you know what you want to achieve
into engitshela ukuthi mina ngiyazi into engifuna okay sharp lezi ezinye inkulumo ngizozibheka mangafika la ngifuna ukuya khona kulapho khona ngizothi hayi wona manje sharp ngiyabonga yabona manje sharp that's why into engihlezi ngisho yabona uNkulunkulu ngathola i-connection ne-TV yabantu ukuthi noma SABC noma DStv noma yini mina ngizoyilela mamele sithenge sizoyithenga i-channel
ithengele igwijo
sharp because like I feel like yabona manje like South Africa bankhani bayibona ukuthi lo music la utouch like uyahilisa like uyaphila goodbye uhlangabezana but Chris mangabamela umculo uyabona ukuthi okay ne hope man akusukuthi into ezenzeka but ne hope ukuthini ne believe ukuthi one day ngizoba nayo lento le that's why ngisho nje ukuthi at least bheka labantwana laba basebakwazi ukufumana kuma YouTube TV siphela manje bakwazi connect YouTube ayifake TV badlala but thina sihlula ukuthi sifake i-channel TV bazibukele TV into engithanda ukuthi at least kube mnandi bathi hayi namhlanje kuzoba live lapha ku-video channel 1 kuzobe live kuzobe khona i-video aveki Sunday sobukela wonke umuntu obvious TikTok yatrenda nathi report siyabukela kuba mnandi baba live bayacula yachaya babuya abanye bathi hayi nini nayo futhi invite uGameli na resource invite umsalo bayabuya bayacula
amba show flu
emfethu nyafa ngiyabona sengiselenge one power
yabona ubulawa yini
shapa flu fana
it's not cold yet
ejosa toto
makutaksaze bani abona mele ngilapha ejuzi ngiyothola nje ama jacket
amele bakupha umuthi khona lo muthi weflu lo bathi kushaya ulale mawuvuka makuvuka yonke into iphumile
yabona imithi athi mina athi ngitshele le yabona lokho kungihlala yazi uthini athi yabona uzathi yakula fake spade
juti nyongo
hayi inyongo yazi inyongo yenzani mina futhi ngiyaphalaza nepilisi langidlula ipilisi
bathi indoda mele iphala
ipilisi ngibuza ipilisi anyanyeke ngamali ulimethise libe kanje ngingaliboni ngeke so hayi ngalihlaza ngabuya like ilangidlula
yasazi le story sale yawuthi le bathi how did you become gay ithi when I was young bathanda ukumpeta ngajwayela impeta yakhula ayigcine ngisithanda
ngithanda spade yakhula
ayigcine ithanda ukupeta that's how you became gay James loving spade
like komnandi
yeah but bro there's a lot of things people wonder about you know like people can just view as like generally a Kwicho scene. That's the image you have on the internet, right? We Kwicho artist. Like what's more to you? Like what's your hidden talent? What's not shown to the world, but the people close to you know what's high. General is reliable on this. General can do this for us, no matter the circumstances.
Yeah, it's a little bit like realities because I bet I'm going to 80%, maybe 20% abazi ukuthi yalazi general vele yalazi because like before ngizothenda I was playing for Corinthians this team that Bedford View then in 10 years ithoqala sabathathela league in 10 years that's where vele baqala ukungithala from now then ngapha isawuthini Thembisa to Bedford View bengibulala ngithele ngapha ngisangena isigela yabo obviously ngithi bangiphuma esigela ngiba past 2 mina ngizodlula ekini function incwadi zami bese abasejimini mangibuye futhi ngisuka ngaba 10 ebusuku ngithatha incwadi ekini mina ngidlule ngiyadlula ekini ngisachubeka ngendlini like ngiyakhathala mangifika endlini ngikhona ubhala ama homework yabo so that's why into ayenza ukuthi ngathi ngime kancane disk ngicede ngesigela but esigela bese bengidlala kuphela esigela bengidlala esigela mara ukuthi nje ngiphuma
disk bodlala esigela
bengidlala esigela mfethu bengidlala bayazi iskele
bakwazi
bayazi iskele iskele lapho sibengibambakela from etimtimini like intimu iskele vele
uyamakha
nayazimakela thami into engatshela ngithini impilo if like idisk le fana nocherry namhlanje uzombamba ucherry sasa thola umuntu so le disk uzowina uzodliwa bazodrebula kunjalo bazodrebula ake kuhlezi udrebula ayinte ehlezi nje ake kuhlezi ushukela everyday uzothola ihlelo kushenye ishibumbu kayi1 iphasi mayiceda uzibone kahle la ukuthi ayihlanganela namhlanje bakushenye ishibumbu ubone kahle ukuthi awazi ukuthi uvale inyawo kanjani hayi manje ndakuya kubambe ngesandla
manje usupporta which team
mfethu ngisupport uTito mfethu
Tito
support Pagania. That's why it takes in support Pagania kuna le shaya center back bathi uSibisi ibhodlela ngifuna kuba ile sibhodlela
do you still have hope though on your football career or you still want to be a soccer player professionally?
Ne hope ngisesenayo eBhayi futhi inayo. That's why as much as namanye like ngisajima ngazujima namanye amajida yabo nethi nje sekuthini lento ukuthi iskela as much as ngiyari right yabo manje sande ukuthi ngathende every day yabo but I hope ngina eBhayi futhi because no coach in the pep bekangifonela athi was a Krugersdorp une team coach ala phe ABC athi swala so ngabona is angacedi ngento eskela then hayi ngathi athi ngicela into eskela so bona after June that's enough flow. That's why it's the hope that any team into engiyisho ukuthi angikhona ikhethe team as much as le team le isebenza kanzima ngizosebenza nayo kanzima angifuni team ezogcwala abantu ukuthi ash idala lona uthanda coach lona ufuna sonke sisebenze
but that's the thing in football bro favoritism
the into engiyisho
bulala idisk vele
yalibulala cha yalibulala dead
but how na control as a player bro if ufuna ukudlala ibhola you get there uyafika ucoach no number 10 wakhe amthandayo udlala i10 ubetter than yena mara what are the chances that you'll play there mangala wena bafuna ukudlalisa bakuchintshisa iposition at mara lentwana iyancena hayi athi sifake la behind udlale wing izophuma
yazi into engatshela nokuthini wena icoach mangakuthanda dlala against yona wenze make sure ukuthi udlala against yona ilande uyibona ukuthi uyilande strong izobona ukuthi nayi potential lentana yasilanda yasibaza
ithatha ikubeke ebhekini
awusavumi angisho ayibonisa na ukuthi now I can do this angisho le talent lakho dala lami talent ke ngwenye yena uzosho ukuthi okay lo mfana ngimkhulumile umbencha ungangikhulumi bese uyangibhencha ngikhuluma unginike chance
there's a lot of coaches that say that ngikhulule ezandla mawondo
then ungiphile lo exposure awungiphanga but ngikhulume bese uthi ambala ayidlala 15 ngibona ntami ngancane bakaqabe ulima nawe uyadlida nje ukuthi ayidlala amahotman manje awazi ukuthi okay sharp ayakhuluma uhlala ebenchini hlezi lapha uhleli ukhona ku18 maraya hayi bakwenza option uhlezi khona mara bakwenza option hayi
mara mababheke emuva bathi bakubheka kayi3
bayabona bathi woma bakuyisa kuhlalise phansi hayi bayabona bana hope
akunahope kuwe mfana bakuthemba ukuthi lezo deliver vele
hayi kunenye team ngeke ngibize ngegama naye yasenza kanjalo sabona envelope neta ngechini training session envelope esoba kakhulu ngathi ngava simthi savala le yabo savala savala sakhindulula but what's wrong sathi we are staying Tembisa we must leave you must
stay far
sabaye baba and stay samba sadlala samba sangene changing room sakhumula mash safana le yasilethile vele sometimes ba keep my envelope lapha thina sabile baba sabile ayabona ayisfara from that thing ngabona ukuthi mina ngeke ngibhadale italent ngeke
ubhadale italent injani mara vele like impilo yasekasi yaseThembisa PC
eThembisa uthiyamne la kubhizi la ngikutshela kasi lihlezi kubhizi like manje ngakuthola week now ngathi ungathatheka like boom thina sonke lento zero because eThembisa everywhere la uzoya khona kunekasi lazoya ukuthi bona laziyawa laziyawa elikayi yawa but wena yourself angene discipline uzogcina vele uzambe zonke lezi ndawo gcina sobona ukuthi hayi azingethembisa ku right great because nathi zokujuta silokhu sikubiza kuma top 24 sithi zokala ulokubalana sithi awinja kanti awuna progress.
Yeah.
Wena uyiphambili thina sinokudlala ngalo sikunikela ama 200 400 yabona kahle ufuna easy cash. Into emnandi ngethemba ukuthi easy cash ikhona. Abona mayidlala i-tournament under 23 imvuselelo edlalo.
Imvuselelo.
Sports organization yala bithembisi. I-tournament enkulu yama under
23.
Yeah.
Ononokubheka sa host.
Naka sa host wena noko. Le tournament yakho host kayi-1 fit.
The fade.
Sashawa kusenje.
Nina.
Lapha siyabuya.
Kuphi lapho?
Lapha ethembisa ko
La sayakhona lapha.
Yeah.
Really?
Lapha king tafuleni.
Etafuleni.
Hey.
Man, like, where do you see yourself in the next like 5 years or something?
5 years. Mfethu mina 5 years ne mangazibona nje ne-change ekhaya. That's my wish. Yeah, like ngichange endlini then ngiziphilela impilo engifunayo cham. Mina to be honest ne kuya ngami ngabe ngihlalela nje like endaweni efana nabo Santini ethulile kuphela. Lethi ngizimamela. Yeah, like ngithanda ukuzimamela cham because as ngimuntu onjani ngathi ngihlele intombazane ngigcina sengicula ngikhohle ukuthi ngihlele umuntu. Sengizwa ngathi
le ndaba yokucula.
Hey, first star right.
Yiyo nje.
Yeah, yabo into enjalo. That's why like mangivana ngiwane angiporeki mina endleleni. Noma ngifuna ngena data ne kanje. Mangivana endleleni ngithi ngizwe ngifaka isikhwama eqo.
Awuyifiki.
Sengicela ngenza kahle strategy bamangela abantu ukuthi yenzani. Iyajala ngiyoze ngifike la ngiyakhona.
Yeah.
Because like mase ngicala sengicaba ngomculo ukuthi eish mangahlala umuntu athi ngicula ngizothini. Mase ngihlezi into engimotivate everything.
What is the next song?
Yeah, kuthi like ngizothini. Yabo mayash uba mohleli nami kazi uzoshisa uporeke. Mayikhona manje namselazi sanokuthi hayi sana hayi. Ngihlela nabangani bakho ukhumbule. Shibesi nami ngiyakhumbula eshaka.
Yeah.
That's why ngisho in the next 5 years bengazibona maybe nami senginedladla ngikwazi ukuthi afini okay na i-channel ekuyitsho. Yeah, sebi achievement. I-achievement yami in 10 mina beyithi in 10 years. Ngabona i-channel ekuyitsho in that period of 10 years ngizoba sharp. Ngaretire eculeni. Ngahlala so. Yeah,
ngiretire.
Like Kujo Academy.
Yeah. Still la. Because obviously I say into ngizobe ngisahwayela ngizosengimdala in the next 10 years. Phela ngizogijima uma 30 something lapho. Zobuya for 30 something.
Yes, so una 20 something.
Yoba ngina 21 this year chief.
31.
Izwa nje. Kumele manje cabase bathi general ugcwele isigamu sekahle ngina 31 years. Uyidlula. Waflex general
Yes, baba.
You are getting paid to sing.
Hey man, bantoda. Bathi general say TV. Yeah. Yeah, sesikhuluma ngamakhampani ke lapha.
Yeah.
Angeke ukuthi generally woza ethembise ikasi lakho. Hayi, ikasi lami ngizovela ngizothini i-giveaway vele ngibanike bring back.
Charity.
Yeah. Into ngizo mara mozongitshela ukuthi generally sine session ngo4. Nginathi hayi ngiyabatshela.
Ne-family
nama priorities. Ngizohlala ngo4 njini ngo6. Ubamela amakhazi uyacula kuyabanda.
Yeah, very how many children do you want?
2.
Girl boy.
Twins. Funa abafana noma ngawa amantombazane e-twins. Lonke ama twins.
Maye bangafani.
Ayinkinga.
Inkinga.
Inkinga bangafani.
Hayi mina ngitshela iqiniso. Mina lami idlozi lingitshelile ukuthi lifuna ama twins. So nje ugena uzongipha umntwana. Guys. Hlale wazi ukuthi ngifuna ama twins.
Why uthi ugela uzongipha umntwana akusilo wamanje kan?
No, obviously we can't predict the future of it. Angeke.
It's just your turn, my sister. You
know, I usually but again, maybe the next in the next 2 years I have a city. Child. Yeah, ngila seva city. Ngimna never city. Hayi. My varsity nami ngicube
I getting finished.
No, you can't live about varsity.
Empethe varsity kunabo lova ndaba
M4 khona la.
Empethe ngacacela ngidlala ne-UJ. Kwami brabas. Kathi
God.
Sizodlalela thina ne-Orange Army mina siyabona. Singena ngequantum. Nayi clever bayithathela umntwana khona la. Yeah,
there's nothing you can do.
Now ungana uyabona yo jamnati. Lokho jamnati.
Wena usamthengela amakhoda.
Wena samfuna umtshela ukuthi baby senza kanjani meetup ngigibela kanjani. Yena akasagibeli bamrequestela.
Yeah.
Impilo engenza ukuthi like ngisakuba committed umuntu osevarsity. Ngoba sharp singakhuluma ngefoni it's fine. But ayi mangilala ngiyabalisa. Ngilala.
Wena ulele na alalanga.
Wenzani?
Ngalala.
Naye uthi uyaphupha the other day.
Tanga
I'm feeling right.
Ayihlali sharp.
Depression direct.
Uba depressed kwa wena ukuthi okay ama outside akazomshela umntwana.
Tanga.
Ngithi kuyo khambani. Ethi tanga phela like I'm feeling insecure.
Siyakufanele.
Mara tanga yabona lapha tanga. Being honest is umjito honest tanga lapha when feel down tanga was at my lowest point tanga like
no, but at that moment I felt too. I was like, hey, nah, for you to even say tanga, I have a problem.
Yeah.
My hand we ever see it like, and I feel this way. Like I don't feel like this thing is gonna continue. You know, I was like concerned with wow. It's to be open about this. Like
because so much
like,
feeling talk about these things about grooming.
Just don't do that.
As much as I want to prefer ukuthi asirike singabani umtshela ukuthi wachama I feel like usitoko sami maseva sithi sizochange uyasazi usitoko sakho chama nginte ngihlezi ngitshela amajito uyamazi ukela ukuthi akila miyaphapha manje obvious uyazi makaphapha uzohlangana nabaphaphayo le amthatha bathathi sikufundise iUG yeah uhlale wazi first year yakho nawe uyabona yo awayifunda iChina khona awayifunda iChina
amakhono wonke waseJozi
China
yazi Hatfield
so that I wanna that's why I prefer like I wanna joba maybe usitoko la Kaseva City ne but Eza like maybe Eza zokubona lento le strong
nah but that doesn't guarantee you
I guarantee
the hours that she comes to see you and the hours that she spends there like 2 minutes
sharp iningi but nawe le chance ethola isebenzisa makafika hayi
baba engingise-60 izolo yazi ithi bro lentwana yami icherry yakhe said ubreda umuntu ngo3 yabo till 5 sharp fede that guy comes to that bro at 7 the guy is asking ukuthi baby uyaphi only to find out who he was with this other guy and umbona seyazomkhapha kuye le out mayambuza bo braid out shayikhathi bayayibreak
yabona yinto esizithenga ibhamu lezi
no tanga mara honestly yabona lento ayisho tanga okay tanga she's always doing something umjita tanga ngeke vela to
angeke
has been serious
angeke usukela ngithi awuthamba bona namhlanje yazinye ukudubula usuke wazi ukuthi ngakuona uthiyami ngiyakutshela mfethu lesesami uyaqhubeka uyahlokoloza lesi angeke ngisamkwatela ngoba ngiyazi hayi ngifuna wena ongapheli moyo ngoba ngiyakhuza ukuthi hayi uyajabulela la ke hlala ku-wheelchair.
Talking about this thing of girls ukudubula, like let's close it off with last question. Talk about sweswe cwecwe.
Eish yabona indaba kacwecwe yo yenze like ngenze ngabathashi wathamba ngithemba ngicela ukubone ngafila ngathi ngabiza amajidi ukuthi madoda student like a student like into engisayi nama lapha endlini mfethu nyasho ukuthi so uthi ngizolanda abantu mara ngizocula nawo
I compose kanjani
like hayi mina mfethu ngifast like fast namanje sawubona lifa sengicabangile so injalo yabo bezama bengikhenya ngicabanga ngithi mangenzile ucwecwe just the concept because everywhere you go it's cwecwe TikTok cwecwe where so namba ngathi nje phela namafana azojabula ngisho ukuthi cwecwe ayabona ukuthi okay no general uya relate unathi like bayajabula into ezincane ezenza ukuthi mfethu like abantu ba recognize
ukuthi
aware yabo but amajidi amabhayo aka recognize and uhlala wazi lento la kacwecwe isemajidini mangaba sibhekanga bafuna ukubona ukuthi how amajidi will react
I ignorant
already. My question is why does it even have to get to the point whereby siyalwa thina as a country like what is the law doing about this whole thing?
No yabona le yomthetho to be honest ne into besashiyeni out about it ukuthi kube kumlungu ngabe ukhala isibhamu South Africa like ngathi amajidi ayashona because uhlala wazi umlungu oreji umuntu omnyama but bheka manje vayisaveso umlungu rip umuntu omnyama.
Yeah.
Like akuna okay sharp we see ama shutdown ama march ne, but there's no like a valid action esibonayo like ukubonisa ukuthi okay
sibona ama protest.
Yeah, ama protest okay sharp like
something but
yeah say feel into yabo ne, say feel into ukuthi okay umntwana nami ngiyafeel like ne, but I feel like to be honest le actually yenze into le bemele into ezinto zibe simple. Mina ugogo wami yazuthini ude umuntu la kumele bamfake acid la bese amfake isigubhu la achame ngepipe maso rape bakufaka bakhiphe lento le surgically hlali ngena uchame ngepipe because into ezoyenze sokhuza bani sithi siproject amantombazane
I say dead penalty bra what
no hayi ukumbulela sizosho but ukuthi like as ngono
7-year-old child bro 7-year-old
but 10
principal or something you're supposed to protect like a 7-year-old.
I'm saying the system is gonna protect him.
In any show, which is aware the system is cool.
It's on protect.
It's on protect. Even though we can fight and do what the matches and what you will see after the next maybe 2 months. Yeah. Then bear. If I never sends me, you look about I case. Then go like.
Mara, I hope Oscar Pistorius writes a movie, the chief.
Because
it's money.
Yeah.
So I system dog, it's broken and we're just living in it.
It's parallel. The system is parallel.
Yeah. Otherwise, it was nice having you here.
Nah, kulega goed man. Yes. Every time, everything.
Yeah,
pressureless bafethu.
Asivalela. Ungasivalela yona mfana. Awukazwise something nala beze ukuthi uTshene was here and usazobuya.
Kuthe mangizwa lesi simolesi sakacwencwe simolesi ongakhaya. Bafethu, GPV fans bafethu. Bathanda nini? It's your boy General G. Stay tuned and subscribe bafethu. All day, every day bafethu. And out.